guys, welcome back.
Welcome back, guys. Today we're doing our foundation.
We're checking out our foundation, the first pour. The footings have been poured. Hey, pumpkin.
He's gonna strip all these off, and then he'll pour the footing when he does the walls. And so we'll have another footing here that goes all the way to here, about here probably, and then another one has some more rebar in there. It looks like probably with epoxy or something.
What?
Is this spider on one rebar?
Oh no, a spider. Show me.
Kill it. Spider.
Oh,
And then
this
he'll
is
be
a spider.
Yeah.
You have such a good eye for spiders. It's crazy. Bam! So we have our footings. We're gonna come back next week and
They'll form up the walls.
To
They'll
form up
strip
the
all
walls.
this off, form up the walls, and then pour those. That'll probably be done next week with inspections and pour.
this is gonna cost us about, what was it, 12,000?
Yeah, out the door for the two foundations, labor, material, concrete, 12,500.
Which is good. We got bids for 25,000 was the
25,
highest.
26.
We have.
Yeah,
Whoa.
so
Because our original guy bailed,
yeah.
and he was at 14,500, but he was bidding 2-foot walls, and we actually ended up going with a 5-foot wall and the rest 4, and then on the shop 3 foot. So this guy, new guy, is significantly cheaper all around.
So it pays to make phone calls and be persistent and just get bids from everyone, which Jordan did a really good job of, so. Yay! Hey, it's a lot cleaner. Oh, it'll probably get muddy.
Oh, it doesn't clean. Oh, no.
Oh, no, it doesn't.
You have to run it for like 24 hours. That was.
Oh, that is, yeah.
Oh, we're getting there.
That is so cool.
I know, isn't it cool?
We got the mud up there and everything.
Okay, should we fill it with water?
Yeah, I need these little cups.
Should we fill it with this? Look at that, it's working.
Dude, that's epic!
After the footings were in, the next day the concrete guys came back, formed up the walls, and poured the walls of the foundation. So I went out there and took the drone and got some cool shots with that. So as you can see behind me, I don't know if you can see, there's the pump truck. They have the foundation forms over the footings, and now they're gonna pour the walls with the concrete. you know? At least I get to be by myself.
Yeah.
There is a bird's nest in the dirt that we need to move before we have Dex backfill. Oh, these poor little things. Oh, here we go. Sorry, birds.
So yeah, it took about a week and a half total to get those poured. You can see we have interior footings as well that we will build up pony walls on out of wood to support the floor joists in the middle. We had a crawl space cut out on the side. We had that poured in, that hole, because we're gonna do an external crawl space, an exterior crawl space that will access from a access panel outside rather than inside, because we just didn't have room to put it inside. So we're gonna get our conduit in for electrical, our water pipe, get those backfilled, and then get our septic system in. So those will be the next couple videos, just finishing up that site work so that we can start framing it up. He's got my hair, dude. He loves it. He like gets so happy when he's got it. He's like, oh yeah, baby. You think you're just gonna pull my hair? Huh? Okay.
Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching.
Bye bye.